Senegalese culture. Senegal is a country known for its rich and diverse culture. Hospitality, called Teranga, is at the heart of Senegalese life, welcoming guests with warmth and generosity. The national dish, Thieboudienne, rice with fish and vegetables, is a symbol of sharing, as families and friends gather around one big bowl. Senegalese culture is also shaped by traditions, languages, and a deep respect for community and solidarity. Senegal, hospitality, rice, fish, vegetables. Join us at our center and register today to discover more fascinating insights about Senegalese culture and much more.